Presenting the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.